Very quick.
Some other swift internet reaction marketing. Subway. Remember the tuna story that we covered? It's actually in the same article here. You just scroll down. Yeah. We were talking about the lawsuit alleging that Subway's tuna sub doesn't have tuna in it. I don't know if you recall. This wasn't that long ago, Will.
Yeah. I'm just trying to think of the outcome. I'm trying to guess it.
Like what they would do about that?
Yeah.
Yeah, so they responded by giving a discount on their tuna sub. But also stating in the inside of the discount email that our tuna salad is 100% tuna mixed with mayo. So they're obviously completely denying the rumors in the lawsuit. The promo code is It's Real, and the discount is 15% off any tuna footlong. The end date of the promotion, February 7th. It'll go to February 7th, promo code 15 off, or It's Real. I don't know, one or the other. Anyways, this is an interesting one because here you have a negative piece of press, and rather than hide from it, you just come head on, and you're like, no, our tuna's good. Here's a deal on it. Mm-hmm. It's an interesting play. I don't know how it maps out. Some would say just shut up and be quiet till you get it sorted out. But I don't know. I don't mind this either. At least it shows they're listening. They're on the internet.
Yeah. And they're confident that their 100% tuna is real.
Does it make you more confident?
Yeah, it does.
You're like, oh yeah, they doubled down. It probably is tuna. Yeah. Well, the whole story is quite confusing.